ITWeb Security Summit is the largest cybersecurity event in the country. And for a company like BUI, where cybersecurity is at the heart of everything that we do, our cybersecurity service is the fastest growing part of our business. It really was a no-brainer for us that we needed to be part of this event. I think incident response planning will be key. If you look at what's happening in the UK at the moment, being prepared for a major cyber attack is something that everybody needs to do. Also, if you look at how the threat actors gained access, they use social engineering. So I think another topic will be staff education. So making sure that people understand what the risks are from a cybersecurity perspective. Everybody in your business needs to understand that. Everybody needs to own it. And I think there will be lots of conversation around AI, both as an attack as well as a defense tool. The Johannesburg event is happening at the Sandton Convention Center on the 3rd and the 4th, and workshops will be happening on the 5th of June. It's not so much what you know you don't know, because you can find that out. It's more a case of what you don't know. And it's events like these where you discover those things. ITWeb Security Summit in Johannesburg, don't miss out. It's going to be an awesome event. Make sure you register.